Hi, I'm Julio Maldonado. I'm Rudy Kusuma's partner. I'm here at 9:80 a.m. Spanish-speaking radio station, and I just came out of the office. We were on the air for 30 minutes, just talking about how to help sellers sell their home for more money, faster, and in less time than any other company. We guarantee the results. The few reasons why you should call Rudy Kusuma's home selling team is because your home is gonna sell for 2% higher than if you hire anybody else. It's gonna sell 3 times faster than with anybody else. We have the buyers in waiting, fully approved, not pre-approved. They are ready to buy now. Your home might be already be sold even before we start the process. If you're thinking about selling your home, call Rudy Kusuma Home Selling Team at 626-789-0159. Again, 626-789-0159. And start packing.